to start is that the first time we saw that she used our brow lift, talagang nagbunyi kami sa buong company. Like, in-announce talaga namin sa buong company, we're so happy. And then at that time also, so we are planning to launch an eye collection, and you are really the perfect person for that collection kasi when you say eye makeup, when you say eyeliner, talagang ikaw yung naiisip namin for that. And more than that, Miss Heart and Get Ready With Me Cosmetics shares the same value for animal welfare. So, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics has been supporting a lot of local shelters since we started in May 2021. So with that, talagang na-inspire kami, and also with your advocacy sa animal welfare, we're very inspired, and I think that we align a lot when it comes to talaga the branding.
Sa makeup?
Yes.
Well, first and foremost, I just want to say our Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, ang maganda dito is because you can really design your own palette. So for me, ang una ko sigurong i-design would be something that's for everyday use, like a nice shimmer, a nice cool tone, or maybe like a nice parang pwedeng contour pero pwedeng sa mata, like an all-around palette. I would definitely go for something more classic and natural. But of course, pagdating sa gabi, you can do a little smoky eye. Nothing that a black liner can fix. On my own, super fast. I think in like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, I can finish my makeup. Kasi before when we started, I used to do noontime shows and variety shows. We didn't have glam teams. We did our own hair and makeup. And we would be supposed to be on stage 9:30 for rehearsals. It's diretsong live in. So I'm very fast actually. So easy lang. Basta nasa akin yung mga tamang makeup, wala akong problema. Definitely you have to sleep as much as you can. And I am so busy, but I make sure that I really have at least minimum 6 hours. But if makaka-8 ako, even better. So sometimes pag may trabaho kami, understood, by 9 o'clock dapat nasa kama na ako. 9, 9:30, magpapamasahe na ako. Tulog na dapat ako nun. Because I'm up at 4 a.m. So yun talaga. So you need sleep, you need to drink lots of water, and then I really make sure that I moisturize my face. I have the toner, I have the serum, I have the oil base, everything. I don't do a lot of layers, but I make sure that every night, kahit pagod ako, kahit maka 1 layer ako, lahat kakalat ko pati neck, everything. So yun talaga yung pinakamagandang prep, because the next day, when you do your makeup, it won't sit as perfectly if you didn't, have nice skin or dry skin or too oily.